couple of extra little friends for the farm. It's like we're starting a little farm. We get a couple of little piggies.
This one's Naughty.
That's Naughty.
And this is Irene.
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 Irene. Huh. Okay, and a couple of roosters. All right. So let's bring them to their
New barn.
new barn. Yeah. All right. Okay, let's see how they're going to do. Can you carry that cage?
Yeah, I can carry it.
All right. Oh, look at them. Careful. Oh, hi. Two girls, right?
Yep.
All right. And we'll show you the new barn they get. We just finished the barn right there. All nicely fenced in for them. And that's where their new home's going to be. All right. Bye-bye.